Welcome. My name is Corin Sloan. I'm the instructor for Bio or Chem 310, also known as Biochemistry. I can't wait to meet you in person on Wednesday. I just wanted to give a brief overview. I know that we're getting started with the semester and there are new schedules and logistics to coordinate, so I wanted to give just a little bit of information that will help you as you're thinking about next steps. Here's some important information. There is my office, which is E301. So if you're familiar with where Crystal Gonzalez's office is, I share an office with her. If you're not familiar with where that office is, you go up to the third floor in Chapman from the steps, and my office is just around the corner. You can also email me, and then there are several options in terms of stopping by for office hours. Office hours just means that's a time when I'm open and available to you. If you come by my office, I will be there. So those options are Monday from 3 to 5 p.m. and Wednesday from 9 to 11 a.m. There's also Chem Study Hall on Mondays from 12 to 2 p.m. If those times don't work for you, please feel free to reach out by email or talk to me during class and we'll find another time that works best for you. There are some other resources that are really important to let you know about. We're going to be doing guided reading on Mondays or Fridays at 4 p.m. That location is going to be determined in part by you, and we'll try and figure out what the best fit is. And if for some reason those times don't work for you, we can do that asynchronously too, where you can just access it online. There are also chapter videos or recorded lectures that are available on iLearn, as well as practice problem sets and challenge problems and the opportunity to apply what you know. All of that to say is there's lots of resources that support your own learning, and I'm hoping that you're going to take the opportunity in this class to be able to tailor them, right, to make the choices that really best support you as you're building your knowledge and skills for this class. There are a couple of other resources that are really important that I want you to know about. The first is the Cooperative Learning Center. They have a study hall that's open for students. That's on the second floor of the library. And then there's also the Student Disability Resources Center. They're really important to connect with if you want to make sure that you have accommodations for this class. If you have any questions about that, please don't hesitate to let me know. I wanted to talk just a little bit about our class format because I've had some folks ask, well, is it a lecture? And the answer is no, it really isn't. In class, we're going to be working together actively to solve problems. The challenge problems are typical of what you might see on an exam. The apply what you know is a stretch. Maybe that's going to ask you to take two pieces of information and integrate them together. And then there are going to be opportunities for you to reflect on what you're learning. But probably the most important thing is that there are two quizzes that really aren't quizzes. So one of those is based on your chapter reading. That's pretty approachable. The other is a quiz that's in class on Friday. And we're going to talk about that a little bit more in person when we meet for class on Wednesday. I want you to be at ease and not to stress out. So if you have questions about the structure or the format of the class, please don't hesitate to ask. We'll be able to talk a little bit more about structure when we meet together on Wednesday. And I look forward to meeting each of you in person. Thanks again, and looking forward to a great semester.